Ricky with Freedom Plumbers here, now to inform you that we now have a brand new E1 pump system installed and ready to rock and roll. As per the manuals, they are saying do not send down glass, cotton swabs, metal, aquarium gravel, seafood, personal cleaning, wipes and sponges, plastic objects, toys, utensils, etc., sanitary napkins, or sorry to say tampons, diapers, socks, rags or cloth, disposable toothbrushes, kitty litter, cigarette butts, syringes, latex vinyl items, dental floss, okay? And when it comes to the liquid realm, definitely do not flush. This one's gonna be fun. Explosives, flammable materials, strong chemicals, gasoline, lubricant oil, and or grease. Utilization of your garbage disposal is going to be recommended as you would always use it, which is limited on the food. Don't send your greases down the sink. Put them in a bottle, throw them in a trash can. None of those items help the utilization of your pump. Okay, your pump is going to be equipped with an alarm system, which is pretty loud. Sounds like a bird chirping, but won't stop, okay? Now, this thing will keep on going until you notice it, and you're going to have a red light on the top of your box, which I will show it to you pretty soon. If this chirping becomes too annoying, obviously, one, you're going to call me at 703-895-4109. Again, that's 703-895-4109 for us to get out here as soon as possible. And you can put the alarm on silent. I'll show you where that silent button is right now. Test one. Silence. Silence button. So if this thing gets too loud and you know the alarm is going off because the red light's going, you can hit the silence button, which is right there. And how do you know? It says silence. And that concludes this pump orientation video. So please, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or in need of immediate service, please don't hesitate to reach me at any time. My phone number and email and contact information are below, and I will be ready to serve you. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Ricky with Freedom Plumbers, and we'll talk soon.
Freedom Plumbers, got a leak, we'll take up the